3.
Good afternoon, Teacher Victor. My name is Julieta. The title of this story is Little Sock. Main characters: Little Sock. Little Sock lives in the drawer. Little Sock gets warm. Little Sock gets dirty. Little Sock gets washed. Place in Sac City. Problem. For Little Sock, every day is the same. All the other socks seem happy, but Little Sock dreams of something different. Solution. Little Sock has here a magical place called Sac City, where every day is a new adventure. The only way to get Sac City is through a tunnel. The tunnel is very dark and very scary, but Little Sock is brave. Finally, Little Sock found Sac City. My favorite part is when Little Sock lives in the drawer. I like this story. Thank you.